Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vlogman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a few cases from Samsung for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now these are official cases from Samsung, so we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at them, okay? Okay, now you can get these cases from Samsung, and I have a few of them. And the one that I got was the Kind Suit, the black version. They got it on sale now for $27.50, normally $54.99. I also have this silicone version right here. That you see right there, the black version. This one is $14.99, normally $29.99. And I have the this Ultra Galaxy S25 Ultra flip suit. That's $22.50 right now, normally $14.99. And I got this clear one as well, and we'll check that one out. So all of these things are half price listed on the website right now, although I got them for free. And they do have a clear magnet case that I didn't get, and I'm probably going to buy that one to see how it works. It's supposed to support Qi 2 wireless charging, but I don't have that one. But we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at these cases, and I'll put the link in the description for them if you want to get them. Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do is going to take a look at the cases individually. So I'll just pop them out and put them on the device, and then we'll check wireless charging. We'll keep it moving. All right. So the first one we'll take a look at is the clear case. Just as a regular clear case here. And I can tell you this case is very thin, and it feels like it's not a silicone case. It's very firm and sturdy. So this is hard, really hard plastic. And you can see it's got an opening at the bottom. So everything is open. You got the S Pen slot right there, and nothing on this side right here, but it's all transparent. You got the opening for the mics right there, and you got your volume down rocker and power button right there. All right, but pretty clean otherwise. And you got your camera opening right there to cover, and the other opening for the camera. So we'll check this one out and put this on and see how it looks. Now, like I said, this case is very minimal, and it's very thin. So it's like almost not having anything on. So if you don't like cases, but you just want something to kind of protect your phone from scratches and stuff like that, and maybe minor drops, this is going to be right for you. You can see the bottom is already all the way open right there. And then you can see almost no lip at all. It got a little bit, but it's very shallow. All right. But I wouldn't trust slamming it down on a counter face down. But if you want a minimal case with almost nothing on it, but just a clear case to cover for plastic, this is going to work for you. All right. So I would check it out if that's what you want. And it is hard, so it might offer some protection, but I don't think it's going to protect against big drops or anything like that. But it's not a bad looking case. Okay. For a Samsung phone. All right, let's check out wireless charge and see how it works. So wireless charging works right there. You see the nice animation you get in One UI 7 in the now bar. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's check out the see how it works standing up. So you still get the charging there, and let's lay it down, see on the side, see what happens. So you get wireless charging there as well. All right. Okay, the next case we're going to look at is the flip suit case. Now, this is a white case right here. I probably won't be using that. I really don't use white cases or anything. Just got a strip on it. Let me see if I can peel this off real quick. I'm just going to whip that up. All right, so this one is a hard case as well. So it's got two pieces to it. And it's got so it's got a frosted back right here. I guess you can use this for a clear case as well, maybe. That's why it's a flip suit. I hadn't used one of these before. So let me see what this is all about. Okay, so apparently this case is interchangeable. You have two cards, they call them cards, but two backs you can put inside this case to, and then slip this cover on. So you could put this one on. They tell you to line this up. Now, let me see. I think I got a plastic cover inside here or something on the outside. Let me see. All right, so you just lay this on, line it up with the phone, and then you put this back cover on it. So that's a neat little trick right there. So, and this one feels pretty good. And you got good protection on the lip right here for this one. And the power button, everything works pretty fine. You got a cover for the camera. Clear back right there. You got this little kind of frosted ring around the sides. So nice little touch there. Everything lines up on the bottom. Of course, it's Samsung. Get to the S Pen, no problem. But good protection. Everything lines up nicely. But this is not a bad case. It's got good grip too. You know, it's not slippery or anything. I think I like this one. I didn't know that that's how this one worked. I had to research that a little bit, but it's not a bad looking case. Okay. Let me put the other back in and we see how that looks. So you peel this off, this bumper that you have right here. And you could probably use this bumper without anything on it, you know. So if you just wanted something to cover to hold for grip on the side, you probably can just use this without any one of those backs. So that's pretty cool. Nice little idea there. Just peel it off like that. And take this one off and let's put this one on. And then this is the other version right here. But it got some plastic on this one too that I haven't taken off yet. Peel that off. That's on the inside there. And then you get this version of the case right here with this cover on it. So that's pretty cool. So nice case there. All right. And of course, these are thin backs there. And that's how it looks. So it's pretty cool. I probably wouldn't use this one. A little bit too busy for me. But it's nice for those who might like that. All right. I'm going to check out wireless charge. Oh, wow. So this thing started to open with an animation on this one. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. So that one gives you the animation that you have on the back right here. Wow. Pretty cool, Samsung. All right. So let's check out the wireless charge. So pick that wireless charge laying down. And you pick up wireless charge standing up. And you also pick it up on the side. All right. So wireless charge worked pretty good with that case right there. So the flip suit case is pretty cool. Especially if you like a little bit of flair with your case right there. This is nice. And you got this animation right here that comes. I didn't know that. So shout out to Samsung for that. Okay, the next case we're going to look at is the silicone case. All right, this is a basic case right here. So you guys have seen this one before. I'm going to rip this box open because I didn't have a knife in here to cut with. So let's just peel that off. Now, this is a straight silicone, so but it's pretty light and thin. It's got like a leather, almost like a leather looking feel to it. So that's nice. Nice buttons on the side right there, a little bit different color. And you got your opening right there. Soft felt on the inside, so that's nice. Feels really good. And you got this kind of accented ring right here around the case. So let's stick this inside. These cases are all very slim, but this one has a good lip, but it's still slim. I like that. And it feels good in the hand, you know, so it doesn't add any bulk, but you're going to get good scratch protection. You got some grip. It's grippy. And, you know, it doesn't add any bulk, and I like that. So you got your opening right there for your charging port and everything, and your mic holes line up, camera's protected, no problem. So it's a good case. Very slim, very minimal, all right? Fits good on the S25 Ultra, all right? So let's check out wireless charge. All right, so wireless charge works like that, laying down. That's standing up. So it works standing up as well. That's laid on the side right here. I didn't get the animation, but it is charging. So there you go. So it is charging. All right. Wireless charger works good with this case, but this feels good. You know, it's not it might feel slippery to some, but I'm able to hold it pretty well. On the sides, it's not slipping like that. So, and you got a lip there. So you got a good lip on this one. So, but it's still not bulky at all. So nice case. It feels good in the hand. All right. That's the silicone case for Samsung. Okay, these are the kind suit cases right here. Actually, you know what? I did. So this case I just looked at was the kind suit. So that's why it looked like leather. So these two are the same cases right here. This is the silicone case, but I'm gonna go ahead and look at that one right now too. But I didn't do that earlier. So that's one of the leather cases right there. That's why I felt that way. Sorry about that. But this is the other one. This is the brown version right here that seems to be pretty popular. So it's the same case as this one. And I'll show you how it looks on the phone just real quickly. It does look pretty good. if you want to have that professional look and a different look there. So that's how the brown one looks right there. And it's got that kind of leather feel, a little bit of grip there. So, I heard some people say this doesn't last long. It gets worn pretty easily, but pretty quickly, like in a few months. Not like days, but it feels good and it looks all right. So it's a nice case. Wireless charge works the same for this and these two right here. All right, these two are the same cases. All right, so we'll take a look at the silicone case, which looks just like the Kind suit, which is a leather case, but this one is just silicone. All right, so I'm sure, yeah, so you can see it looks the same. These two look exactly the same, but this one is the Kind suit that's supposed to be like the leather feel, and this is a silicone feel right here, but it looks exactly the same. So there you go right there. Just got that stuff out of the way, but this looks good. These are nice looking cases. As you can see, these two look almost identical, except this one has a fully gray power and volume up rocker area. This one is a little bit different there, but otherwise they look almost the same, except this one has that leather look to it. You can see that right there. And then this one is silicone, real smooth, but it has some grip, so it's not too slippery. All right, but nice slim cases that are going to fit your phone well, not add too much bulk, and support wireless charging. Okay, so that was a quick look at several cases from Samsung. These are the official cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They all fit well, they look good, and they provide some protection for your phone. Not a whole lot, but it's pretty decent, especially if you don't like bulky cases. This is going to be right for you. So these cases are pretty good. They fit really well, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get these cases. Now, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.